What's the deal, family? Welcome back to the Real Distraction channel on YouTube. It's your boy Sean, and we here with another banger for y'all, man. So look, crazy drifting truck versus BMW E30 proto Iveco Turbo Star 190/48. I don't know what that means. Rambo Rock 2016, man. So this is an Italian supercar video. Boom, right here, Italian supercar video. Go rock with them, man. I'm shouting out everybody because Flinty is weak. He's weak, so I'm shouting out everybody outside of him, man. Shouts out to Italian supercar video. Go check them out, man. Go hit that subscribe. Go watch their videos, man. For all my drifters, for all my burnout guys, no more Flinty videos, okay? He responded. It's kind of weak. I ain't gonna lie. The response is kind of weak, man, but it's all love. I can't do any Flinty videos. Send me everything else outside of that. Send me your own videos if you got them, man. I do personal people's videos if their burnouts are dope enough. That's it, man. We got a big ass truck. And I love y'all for still rocking with me. Even if I can't do the Flinty videos, I really do appreciate that. And your support. And all the people who went to go on his page and comment on his page. Even cats that live like around the corner from him. All y'all, whoever you are. I love y'all, and I rock with y'all for rocking with me for real, because I rock with y'all, so like, it's love back. Don't come at them disrespectful, you feel me? Don't come at them wrong, disrespectful, no threats, no none of that. I'm not condoning none of that. I just want to be able to enjoy the vibes of the culture just like y'all, and he don't like that. He don't want that. I work off greed. I mean, I work off love, not greed. You feel me? I work off love. Like, that's kind of like, if you watch any of my videos outside of burnouts, when I get more real about shit, I work off of love, bro. Not off of greed or none of that other shit. I be reacting to videos that get 100 views every time I do it, just out the love, bro, off the strength. So, either, like I said, don't come disrespectful towards Flinty, but I just wish he understood that the culture's bigger than just him. It's everything. It's everything about it, bro. Like. But whatever. Anyways, I love y'all for rocking with me. That's all I gotta say. Get at me on Instagram with some more videos. Sean W. Tyler, send it to me. Let me know what's going on. And that's pretty much it. Let's get to this. See what this massive ass truck about to do against the fucking E30. Like, let's see what this truck gonna do, man. Bro, that's a whole tanker. That's a tanker, dog. How you gonna spin that one? You can't do no 180s in that. You could do you a little 45-degree little skid or something. How do you even get that truck? Like, ain't you supposed to work for a company or something? Like, how you just got that at the crib, just chilling somewhere in a warehouse? Like, how? You gotta be manufactured it? Like, what the hell? There's no way he gonna turn it. Alright, BMW working. I'm like, is the truck gonna do something? Cause I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see, dog. I'm waiting. The anxiety is high. Hey, okay. like the spinning. I like the spinning. I'm not mad at the spinning. He's spinning, bro. That thing, man. You better hold that center of gravity with that thing, man. Yeah. Yo, that there's like two things on the BMW I'm like, I don't like its stance with the wheels pointed out. That's a personal pet peeve of mine, is when you stance it with the wheels like that. And then its sound. It sounds like in America people be having Honda Civics and they put these exhaust pipes on them and it be sounding terrible, bro. Choked up, terrible. Like, it just be sounding weird. And his don't sound terrible, but it reminds me of when people put those weird exhausts on like a Honda Civic that got no power in it and it just sounds loud and weird. I like his driving though. I thought this shit was done for. I thought it was done for. I'm like, oh, he definitely recalibrated and put out some more power this time around. But bro, I thought it was a wrap. Bro did a 180. Bro, that takes so much skill for this dude to do that right there. There's people that can't do donuts in a car, and there's hella people that can't drive no truck like this, and especially make like a basic, like semi-tight turn in a truck like that, going at a decent speed. He doing burnouts, bro. Come on, donuts. There you go, mix it up a little bit. Yeah. Bro's doing tandem burnouts with a fucking with a fucking fuel tank truck. This shit crazy. Doing tandems. I need to see this driver in a regular car. 'Cause this is crazy. Come on, run it up. Let me see the truck. Hey, you know, that's a pretty good burnout for that car, man. Cause I'm looking at it the whole time like he probably can't do no burnouts. He did a pretty good one right there, though. He got the smoke up. That was wild, bro. Drifting truck. That's pretty crazy, man. I know some of y'all Aussies is gonna be like, man, we got like 37 trucks that could do that easy and do it better. We got tip ins on these trucks, man. I know y'all gonna have them. Go send that to me on the Instagram real quick. Get at me in the comments. That was cool though. That was a cool video, man. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Keep it real. Red Bull always reaches everyone next time. Peace.